this video, we'll show you how to replace the auger paddles on a Husqvarna single-stage snowblower. Always remove ignition key before servicing your snowblower. To replace the auger paddles, first tilt the snowblower back so it rests on its handles. You have to remove the 6 bolts holding each auger paddle to the auger shaft. Then remove the auger paddle. To replace the auger paddle, position it between the bracket on the auger shaft and reinstall all the mounting bolts. And that's how to replace the auger paddles on a Husqvarna single-stage snowblower.